Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an opening title with typing animation in CapCut. So first, just add video and then write the opening text or title. So I'm going to just write morning, and you can choose the font that you like. Okay, I'm going to use this Oliver. Click on the check icon. You can adjust the durations to your liking, and after that copy the text like this, and then on the second text go to style and adjust the opacity to 0 like this, and then click on stroke and adjust or add white color. I'm going to go with 6 like this. Click on the check icon. Now on the first text, go to animation. Here under the in, add the typewriter animation. You can adjust the duration to your liking. I'm going to go with 3 seconds. Okay, 2.7 seconds I guess. And then for the out, choose the sunset animation. Okay, this one. Now click on the check icon, and then for the second text you can also add animation, but only the out animation. Choose the same like the first one, sunset. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the final result for the text animation. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks below. Bye.